Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be making some pickled carrots. And we're kind of doing these cooking things here that we enjoy. Usually in the summertime we're hiking. And since it's getting cold out and everything else, we're planning on doing some videos on cooking, which is another passion of ours. What we got here is a bag of carrots. I really shaved them down, and then we're gonna just cut them into little spears. And one of the things I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna turn the stove on. And what I have is 2 cups of water, and 2 cups of white vinegar. And then what I do is I put in 1 teaspoon of pickling spice. Just turn that up. And then I got a half a tablespoon of Himalayan salt. A little bit more, that's okay. Throw that in there. The Himalayan salt, which I like. And then what I do is I throw in some brown sugar. Just ordinary brown sugar. Just heat it up, melt that down. Now I don't want it to come to a boil because I like it cooled or semi-cooled when I'm putting it in the jar. That way the carrots aren't getting cooked at the same time. And while that's just warming up and melting, I'm just going to cut these carrots up. It's something we enjoy, and since it's downtime and we're not hiking and camping and exploring, we're doing some cooking videos. Just cut them in half again, and away you go. Yeah, I think we did about 250 kilometers of hiking this summer in the mountains, which is to our American friends about 150 miles. So we did pretty good this year. We hike all over BC and Alberta and the Yukon. This year we did some good trips in the Yukon and British Columbia. And we do a lot of extreme hiking, which we enjoy. Barb is behind the camera. She's an awesome hiker. And then we got our dog Hunter there. And he's just he's an awesome partner to have hiking. But yeah, it snowed today. Getting a little bit cooler out. We are planning a winter hike just outside of Jasper, Alberta. We live close to the mountains, so it's not that hard for us to get out. And we enjoy it. So these pickled carrots, it's got a little bit of a zing to it, but I think if you like the sweet and salty kind of flavor, these work good. Okay, let's check that. Turn this off already?
Yeah.
Okay, so turn that off. Just get it off the burner.
Smells good and pickly.
Yep. Actually, you know what we'll do is we'll put it on a towel just to get it cooled off.
Cooled off? Yeah, it's pretty hot.
So we'll put it there. yeah, so the hike we're planning in December, end of December, it's a pretty good hike. It's about 20 kilometers. I'm going to attempt it anyway, depending on the snow. And it's an in-out hike. So we'll see how that goes. So we've got our last one here. Hopefully they'll fit in the jar. If not, just cut them down.
Well, there's two. You could do
And then we
both
got some
jars.
garlic. I just cut those in half. Okay, so what we'll do, get rid of this plate. We'll just stuff these, put a bit of garlic at the bottom. Kind of keep them up. Frickin' hand is too big. And usually you can keep
Lay
these
it
in
on
there.
its side so that you can put them in.
Usually keep these in here for a week or so before you open them up. Now, stuff them in there good. I mean, it's a little bit warm, but it's not bad. Now just fill that up. There you go. Now the trick to this, what I love putting in here, is Crown Royal salted caramel whiskey. And I got 1 ounce there. Just dump it in. Then I got another ounce there. Dump it in. Then I got another ounce here, and that goes in here. Damn, that's good. So we could probably stuff a few more in there. And there you go, guys. It's going to be a little bit salty and sweet, but they are good. So now just close her up. Gonna make a little mess. It's okay. There you go, guys.
Ooh.
And that can sit and cool for a couple hours before you put that in the fridge. And then enjoy in a week or so. And the kids will love these. I kind of do the same thing in the frying pan as well. I cut them up in little cuts like that, throw them in with butter, some whiskey, some salt and pepper, and garlic, and brown sugar, and I just lightly fry them in the frying pan, and they're awesome. So there you go. If you guys like it, like and subscribe, and try it out. Let me know in the comments if you like it or not. Thanks for watching. Ciao.